Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and mounting. This prevents mid-process failure. Once the battery is above 50% or AC is connected, attach the blender module and lock the latch so vibration won't loosen it. Then switch the device to camera mode, select blender or hybrid input, and set initial exposure and speed. You do this now because stable power and a secured mount ensure consistent blending and image capture. Make sure to confirm mode indicators light up before proceeding to mixing settings. Once done with the basics, adjust blend ratio and motion settings to control how much blender effect integrates with the camera image. You set the blend ratio between 0 and 100% using the dial or app slider so you control intensity. Then match shutter speed and blender RPM to either freeze action or create intentional blur. This balances exposure and motion. Use the live feed overlay preview to align composition and tweak parameters in real time. Because visual feedback's short, you finalize by saving the profile and running a short test capture to validate exposure and motion integration. After you save settings to the device or cloud for repeatable setups, capture a 5-10 second test clip and inspect the histogram and motion artifacts. This shows whether highlights clip or motion misaligns. If you see banding or ghosting, reduce the blend ratio slightly and sync shutter to blender RPM. If alignment still fails, reseat the module and relock the mount. This fixes most physical causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.